I was a bee. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is the last day of our second week travelling down the east coast of Australia and living in a van. We've been trying to start every day with a stretch and some exercise, so we are going to do that this morning. But first of all, we need to set the bed up for the day. Mornings with some wheat bix, mango, macadamia butter, chia seeds and some rice malt syrup. Okay, so we're going to move on from Bermagui, mostly because we've covered about 300 k's in 2 weeks, is that right? And we've got about 700 k's to go in 2 weeks to get to Melbourne, to get the ferry to Tasmania.
And to get a move on.
We do. So we're gonna head, we've packed up the van and we're heading to Tathra. It's about 45 minutes further south.
I'll see you when we get there.
Okay, so we've decided we actually weren't really feeling Tathra. It had a nice beach, but the water was absolutely arctic. We found a little walking trail that went for literally 100 meters and then stopped. That was fun. We did have some lunch. We got lazy and we had some chips and veggie dim sums, which was pretty good. So we've come down to Pambula. We went for a bit of a swim at the local pool, had a proper shower, and we are now at a little place called Lions Park. It has a beautiful little bay with some nice water, and there are some walking tracks that go for a bit longer than 100 meters with some nice lookout points. So we've just been chilling out here for a little bit, and we are now going to go get some food for dinner and find a place to stay tonight. So after that treacherous drive all the way down to Wanboyan, we are actually leaving. There was one other car there. Other than that, it was completely deserted and empty, and we were just getting some Wolf Creek vibes, shall we say. So we're heading back to the town, to civilization, to sleep tonight. I did get to fly my drone properly for the first time though, after a bit of a mishap last time, so that was worth it. So yeah, back up this road we go.
And plus it was like getting dark, so we had to make the call.
We did.
Because we don't want to drive through here in the night.
God, no.
This is the best part of the road.
It is. Okay, so we've had some dinner, we've done the washing up, and we've set the bed up for the night. We are probably just going to play some cards, maybe do some reading before we go to bed, to be honest with you. This was a much more exciting day than we usually have on the road, I've got to admit, which is kind of good, I guess, for the video. But also a bit unrealistic. Most of the time we've honestly just been chilling at a beach for like 2 days and moving on to the next one. But I guess we do have a lot of mileage to make up to get to Melbourne on time. Anyway, thank you for watching my very first attempt at a travel vlog. I'm sure there are a billion things wrong with it. I can't wait to edit it and find out what they all are, but I guess it's hopefully a pretty steep learning curve. See you in the next video.